a quick little tour of the workshop. Here's the new mill. It's a Huron MU5, 3.5 ton. Really nice machine. And then we have the lathe, Takizawa TSL DX1000. Some tool holders and stuff. Plasma cutter. CNC machine. Originally made for wood, but I modified it a bit. Put the T-slot table on it, a vise, and I mill aluminum. Cuts aluminum like butter. Works really nice. Home built 50-ton press. Needed to bend some boxes, so I built it. Rebuilt bandsaw I got from my dad. Put a VFD on it so I can cut metal. So I can just vary the speed. Some storage. I think this is old lockers from school or something. Bolt storage. Built this. It's really nice to have. TIG rod storage. Drill press, quite nice Arboga. Small mill, which a guy in the village is gonna buy from me, since I have the big one. Some more storage here too. Files, knives, welding bench. This is I bought it on auction. It's 2.5 by 125. Grinders, clamps, MIG welder, TIG welder, AC/DC TIG. Stick welder, here I have the ongoing plasma CNC project that will handle 2.5 by 125 sheets. Some more storage. I really like these boxes. Belt grinder, 3 kilowatt, couple of bench grinders, material rack. One day I'm hoping to build like a container carport, and then I'm gonna move this into the container to free up this space and just have small material storage indoors, like 2 meters and less. And then a bandsaw cut bench. Here I can put this cut-off saw. So when we do like antenna projects and cutting a lot of aluminum, then we can easily just put that up there and use that saw instead. So I can put 6-meter pieces here, and I have a little bit over 3 meters to the wall. And plan is to build some kind of digital end stop later here. But I really like the bandsaw. That was a great addition. So starting to get full, but I can still get the car in here, but now I can't get the tractor in here. I'm not sure if I'm gonna have the mill there, but I don't, the option would be to have it up here, but I kind of like having this barricade between some of the machines, and like here when you do grinding and stuff like that, gets rid of some of the dust. So I might need to expand this. I have some idea that I could actually add a few meters to that side, remove, maybe have one of the openings still, and then just close one opening up. So one idea here is that if I'm gonna cut the big plate, I can back in the car with the trailer and then just unload it with the gantry crane up to the table. Yeah, the gantry crane is also something I built with a 500 kilo hoist on it. And I think I'm gonna redo it a little bit. I'm gonna drill a few more holes and make it more narrow, so it's easier to maneuver in here. Yeah, I think that's everything.